Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you top 5 best electric spin mop on the market in this year with budget friendly. Get ready for an in-depth review that'll help you decide if this gadget lives up to the hype. Check the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. So let's start it. Number 1. VMAI Electric Spin Mop, a game changer for effortless cleaning. This powerhouse gadget transforms mundane chores into a breeze. Its electric spin technology tackles dirt and grime with precision, leaving your floors spotless and gleaming. Designed with cleaning in mind, the VMAI Spin Mop's efficiency and ease of use are unbeatable. Say goodbye to tiresome scrubbing and hello to a sparkling home. Elevate your cleaning routine with the VMAI Electric Spin Mop, your ultimate cleaning companion. Number 2. Gobit Electric Spin Mop. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to effortless shine. With its cutting-edge technology, this mop tackles dirt and grime with ease, making your floors gleam in no time. The sleek design and user-friendly features make cleaning a breeze. Whether it's stubborn stains or everyday spills, the Gobit Spin Mop is your trusted companion. Elevate your cleaning routine and embrace the future of pristine floors with Gobit. Number 3. Mark Live Electric Spin Mop, a game changer for effortless cleaning. This sleek marvel transforms mundane chores into a dance of gleaming floors. With its powerful spin technology, dirt and grime are vanquished in seconds, leaving behind a sparkling clean surface. No more scrubbing or straining, just let the mop do the magic. The ergonomic design and cordless convenience make this mop a true cleaning companion. Elevate your cleaning game with the Mark Live Electric Spin Mop and make every swipe count. Number 4. Alphabot Electric Spin Mop. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional mopping. This powerhouse gadget is designed for ultimate convenience, making cleaning a breeze. The spinning action effortlessly tackles dirt and grime, leaving your floors sparkling in no time. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Alphabot Spin Mop takes the chore out of cleaning and transforms it into a satisfying, efficient task. Elevate your cleaning routine with this must-have tool and experience a new level of shine and cleanliness. Number 5. The Redkey Trademark Electric Spin Mop. This powerhouse of a mop is your ultimate companion in battling dirt and grime. Say goodbye to tiring scrubbing and hello to effortless sparkle. With its electric spin technology, it effortlessly glides across surfaces, leaving them spotless in seconds. No more back-breaking work. The Redkey Trademark Spin Mop is a must-have for every cleaning enthusiast. Embrace the future of cleaning and make your home shine with ease. Get ready to experience cleaning like never before. In conclusion, the search for the ultimate cleaning companion ends with the best electric spin mop. Effortlessly combining efficiency and convenience, it transforms mundane chores into a breeze. Elevate your cleaning game today and say goodbye to traditional mopping. Thanks for watching.